Arctica because it is wind, so much wind, and cold also, and minus 10 degrees Celsius. Minus not 10, minus 1 million. See, it's freezing. If you are here, you will freeze. And now he is not alive only. Look, this is where we keep the clip. And this is the water tank. And I like to call this a slide of earth. That's the video. Bye bye guys. Make sure to like and share with your friends. Now really bye bye.